Now we can study angles. Angles are formed when lines or line segments meet. That is, when lines or line segments meet, we can see angles. These corners are known as angles. Clear? Here you can see intersecting point. Here this is intersecting point. This is the another one. Okay, that is here this is intersecting. Two lines intersect. Okay, then here you can see four intersecting points. Clear? So, four angles. Clear? We know there are different types of angles. Acute angle, that is less than 90 degree. Okay? 90 degree. Then obtuse angle. Then these type of angles are obtuse angles. That is more than 90 degree. Okay. Then right angles. This is a right angle. The measurement will be 90 degree. Next, reflex angle. This is known as reflex angle. These type of angles, that is more than 180 degree. Okay, then straight angle. It's look like a straight line, and these angles are 180 degree. So we can say these are the types of angles. Again, different types are there. Okay, these types of angles we have studied last year. This year we can study complementary angles and supplementary angles. Here, if it is 30 degree and this is 60 degree, then we can see 30 degree plus 60 degree equal to 90 degree. And another one, if it is 50 degree and 40 degree, we can see 40 degree plus 50 degree equal to 90 degree. That is, sum of the angles will be 90 degree for complementary angles. When two angles are complementary, then each angle said to be complement of the other angle. That is, here you can see two angles 30 degree and 60 degree. We can say this 30 degree is complement to 60 degree angle. And 60 degree angle is here 30 degree. We can say this 30 degree angle is complement to 60 degree angles. That is, when we are adding these two, we have to get 90 degree. Then, if one angle is 45 degree and it's a complementary angle, that means the sum will be 90 degree. What will be here? How can we find 90 degree minus 45 degree? X is equal to, we can take to this side. So 90 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 45 degree. So we can say the angle X is equal to 45 degree. That is 45 degree plus 45 degree equal to 90 degree. We know the complementary angles are 90 degree and The supplementary angles will be 180 degree. That is, the sum of these angles will be 180 degree. Clear? That is, if one angle is 60 degree, then what will be here? This will be 120 degree, because 60 degree plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. We can say 120 degree is the supplementary angle of 60 degree. 60 degree plus 120 degree supplementary angles, because the sum of 60 degree and 120 is equal to 180. We can say 120 is supplement to 60 degree. Clear? And 60 degree is supplement to 120 degree. Clear?